begin. Okay, because for the name server, I am using server.begin. If you have named it differently, then you make that different name .begin. Okay, then here you see how we are handling the client request. Server.on. If you get slash, then I am asking you to show a web page. Okay, that web page is a function which we have to create now. Okay. I think you are confused. Again, I'll repeat. Okay. So now we have created a server. Okay, scroll that. Yeah. Yeah. Now we have created a server there. Okay. I have created the server with the name server. You can give any other name here, but the port should be 80, that's all. Okay. Then we have to start the server. That we have to write inside here void setup. Okay. Begin the server. Then how to handle the client request. So we'll get an IP address. The IP will be, you have connected to hotspot kada. మీరు hotspot connect చేసినప్పుడు to communicate with your ESP8266, the IP address will be 192.168.4.1 is the IP address. This is the static IP address given by your ESP8266 through which you can actually communicate with your ESP8266 from the web page. Okay. Now in that web page, if I click on anything, my server has to respond. So this is the response I am giving when server is on and it has given a response slash. Slash means, for example, if I have opened the web page, it will be 192.168.4.1 slash. So if that slash comes, what I should display is what I am defining in this web page function. So that web page function is what now we have to write. Okay, till here we have written. Now we have to define this web page function. After defining that web page function, we are ready to go with checking the web page. Okay, what it should show. Okay, so now we have created this page. So this page, whatever we have created, that should come from the web page function. Okay, now first let us create the web page. After finishing everything, you will get clarity. Till now, any function you can create. Okay, in this web page function. Okay, now whatever the data I have to communicate to my web page, that I have to send it to this function. So if I want to send some data, there is a syntax called server.send. If you can see the syntax, server.send. Okay, you can see here 200. Anytime we get an error on the web page, we will get error 404. Okay, that is the error code on the web page. 404 is the error code. Okay, if everything is okay, then it is 200. 200 is for okay. 404 is for error. Now we are telling 200 it is okay. Please send what type of data, text or HTML content. We have defined a page rather. That page has some text and also HTML tags. Okay. Then I am telling what to send page. The page that we have written, that I will give here. Okay. So it will send 200, which means okay. Then what type of data? Text or HTML data, and then a page that we have created. Now it will display that IoT workshop, whatever we have written on the web page. That we will see now. Okay. Now I will just copy this syntax. Okay, here we don't have page 2. We only have page. What is the page? That we have created a page and we are sending this thing to the page. Okay. Now, this is the page that we have already created. Okay, just comment it here. Okay, this is the page that we have created. Okay, right. Now we are sending that page here. Okay. When we'll ask the page to be displayed, when server dot